In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove project in Grok. We'll walk through the exact clicks to safely remove a project, and I'll share a few quick pointers so you know what to expect along the way. Start by opening Grok in your browser and heading to the projects area. Once you're in, focus on the project section. Just below that header, you'll see the list of project names associated with your workspace. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to remove. You can scroll through the list and visually confirm you've picked the right one by its name and any identifying details shown alongside it. When you found it, select the project by clicking on it to open its main page. This brings you to the project's dashboard, where the title is displayed prominently. Look toward the top left side of the screen. Right beside the project name, you'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called More Options. Click those three dots to open the action menu for this project. In that menu, choose Remove. Grok will immediately present a confirmation prompt asking, "Are you sure?" This is a safety check to prevent accidental deletion, and it's a good time to double check you're working on the correct project. If you see any sign that it's not the one you intended, close the prompt and return to your project list to select the right project. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, confirm by selecting Delete Project. Grok will process the request and remove the project from your list. Depending on your connection and workspace size, this can take a moment. Once it finishes, you'll be returned to the project's view, and the deleted project will no longer appear. A few quick tips as you do this. Removing a project is a significant action, and in many setups, it's permanent. Make sure any content you still need has been exported or handed off before you confirm deletion. If you don't see the remove option, it could be because of workspace permissions. Only certain roles can delete projects. And remember, interfaces can evolve over time, but the flow remains the same. Open the project, use the three-dot menu next to its name, choose Remove, Confirm, and then select Delete Project. That's it. You've just removed a project in Grok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.